Hey guys, I'm back. Here's another repair that I'm doing. This is a vintage makeup compact. It needs some TLC, so stay tuned for the beautiful transformation. Alright guys, I'm back. Look how it came out. It's an oldie but goodie. It has a lot of marks on it from wear and tear, but that's what you use these for. Pre-love vintage compact. It has history behind it of the wear and tear. So I just finished cleaning it. And a friend of mine's that knows me had it, and she gave it to me for $5. Beautiful. Needs a little cleaning, a little more cleaning and everything. But I just want to show you how it looks. It reminds me of Christmas with the colors. I'll see everyone later. Bye.